Hi everyone, welcome back. This is White Armor Consulting, and today I'm going to show you a neat little extension called Privacy Badger. Stay tuned. So this little extension that you can install on Chrome, Opera, or Firefox is an extension that learns your browsing habits and blocks trackers in the background automatically for you. It'll also block cookies and any kind of tracking utilities that third-party developers have implemented. A great little tool if you want to block trackers from seeing where you surf across multiple domains and then building a profile about you. First, you're just going to go to Google and then you're going to type in Privacy Badger. From here, you're going to click Privacy Badger from Electronic Frontier Foundation. So it would be www.eff.org/privacybadger. Make sure it's that URL. Click that, and you're going to see a page that looks like this. Now this is Privacy Badger. If you want to understand a little bit more about it, you can go to the FAQ. It has a lot of details. I'll read a little bit about what Privacy Badger is. So Privacy Badger is a browser add-on that stops advertisers and other third-party trackers from secretly tracking where you go and what pages you look at on the web. If an advertiser seems to be tracking you across multiple websites without your permission, Privacy Badger automatically blocks that advertiser from loading any more content in your browser. To the advertiser, it looks like you suddenly disappeared. That's a great feature. So I say I'm going to show you how to install it and a little bit of how to use it, and you can go from there and try it out yourself. So from here, you're just going to go back and you're going to click, if you're using Chrome, install for Chrome. If you're using Opera, install for Opera. And if you're using it for Firefox for Android, you can click it there, or you can just click it, install Privacy Badger for Firefox right there. You're going to allow it. You're going to add, and you're all done. Now here you can see there's a little bit of a tour that you can do. Learns as you browse, catches sneaky trackers, not an ad blocker, I'm different. So this is where they're trying to differentiate between Ghostery and themselves. And as you can see, you could read through this and it'll explain a little bit of the details of how it works. But I'm going to show you. So after you install it and you get to this page, you're going to notice Privacy Badger at the top right-hand corner. I'm just going to move this over, everything organized. From here, you're going to see the little badger. You can click that and it'll look like this. I'm using version 2018-10.3.1. From here, I'm going to go to the gear, open the settings. I like to turn on prevent WebRTC from leaking local IP address because we don't want them knowing our internal network. And we also want to allow it to learn in private and incognito windows. We're not going to touch anything else. It's up to you if you want to though. Disabled sites, this is where you're going to see sites that are blocked. You can remove or add. Tracking domains, you don't have to touch this, but if you want to see what domains they track, this is the entire list. And manage data. Now here's where you can import, download, export, all of the tracking domains that have been blocked or in your whitelist. You can basically upload and have it continue to block across other browsers. You can reset the tracking domains, and you can also remove all tracking domains that have been blocked. From here, you're pretty much done and ready to use Privacy Badger. It's basically as easy as going to websites and watching Privacy Badger start learning what tracking domains are in the background. From here, you'll notice the little number that grows where the badger head is, and you're going to see tracking domains that are being blocked, cookies that are being blocked, and what domains are being allowed. So from here, you have the ability to change automatically, or sorry, manually. My advice is to just leave it, because Privacy Badger works based on the more you surf, the more it learns. So as you visit other domains, Privacy Badger will then start learning what's tracking you and block it automatically for you. After you're done that, you're pretty much done. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Hope you liked the video. Let me know if you want me to keep going and keep doing videos like this. Give me a thumbs up, a like. Please subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care.